Buck. Hello and welcome to CustomerServiceChicken.com. Here you will find different tactics, on over the phone customer service. Check out the tabs or the search bar for specific tactics. Otherwise, if you are new and want to know how to start getting better customer service over the phone, click on the Basic Tactics tab or check out our featured articles and videos. Hopefully, not only will you find this site entertaining, but useful, and I wish you success the next time you need to call one of those chickens in customer service and support. I'm Customer Service Chicken. Join me in making customer service better for the customer, and also for the chickens. Better for everyone.